Where's the airside?
Get out of my face.
I'm not going anywhere.
Get the out of my face. I ain't going anywhere, bro.
Get the out of my face.
Don't pull your fist up. Do not pull your fist up. I said that. Heard that? Do not pull your fist up. Anywhere you got that.
Orlando International Airport, May 3rd, 2024, 3 charges, 1 analysis. The removal was lawful under 49 U.S.C. 404902. Airlines hold near unreviewable authority, though, refuse transport to any safety risk. Under 14 CFR 91.3, a captain's disembarkation order is federal law.
Is he fighting or no?
No, he tried to fight me when I was trying to.
He's not fighting. Is this him?
That's him. He's been very unruly.
Yes, sir. Can you just step off so we can talk? Yep. Is that him? Who is it? Come on over here, man.
I need to get my stuff.
Yeah, we'll get your stuff in a minute.
I need to get my stuff.
Let's talk about it real quick.
Yeah, I need to get my stuff.
I get that. Let's talk about it and maybe you can still fly.
Talk about what?
I need to figure out. I just got here.
I already was talking to them.
So let's just talk about it.
They're saying that there's no way. Like, I already told them. I went and...
Okay.
I'm just trying to... And I don't want to wait another 5 hours in there.
I get it, but we got to talk about it, bro.
No, you do. I know your police tactics. I deal with police before. I've been arrested.
Cool. That's cool.
You're just
so
trying to get me off the plane.
I don't want to arrest you right now. You still got to get off the plane, though.
Arrest me for what?
Trespassing on the plane.
What crime have I committed?
That's it. They don't want you here. They just want you to leave.
Yeah, bro.
Okay, cool. Hey, can we get airside? He's refusing to get off the plane.
Do you want to go down?
We're just going to get your stuff, bro. Can you get your stuff?
Come on, bro. Go.
You already know what time it is, bro. Unball your fist.
That's not a crime. That's not a
You're
crime.
right.
That's not
But it is a threat. That's it. They're getting your stuff now.
Why are you throwing my pocket?
They're shoes, bro. Right now, I just asked you to get off me. We could get that stuff nicely. You're not doing it, so I'm not playing nice anymore. That's all you got to do.
I'm not weird, bro.
That's cool. Right now, they don't want you on the plane. That's it.
I can move along so I can move it.
Oh, now you want to get off. Thank you.
He's off the plane. Let me try to get his stuff.
Where's the big guy?
He's in the corner. Where's his stuff at?
That was his boots. That's apparently all he had.
Just the boots?
Yeah, just the boots, I guess.
Lucky you guys got weapons, bro. I swear, bro. Oh, I have my luggage, bro.
Where's your luggage at?
I don't know where.
Did you check it in?
Yes, I did.
Okay, it'll be at your destination.
Is it on the plane or did you?
You guys are lucky you guys have weapons, bro.
Walk on up.
Let's go.
Hold on. Let's get airside. All you gotta do is walk up.
Let the But without that weapon and badges, bro, that's isolating. You guys get beat the up, bro. Guaranteed. Pussy ass police. You guys ain't shit, bro. You guys are pussies, bro. You guys need weapons, bro. What?
I said keep walking.
What are you gonna do? You're lucky you need weapons in a bunch of people.
Just walk towards the gate.
Nah, shut the up, bro. You guys are, bro.
Alright, sir. The children.
It's a freedom. I can say whatever I want. I ain't saying no.
Where's the victim?
You're a. You need weapons. Take off the badges. Let's go somewhere right now. Me and you. Yeah, exactly. Punk ass Asian.
Well, that's not a racist, sir. There's no need for that.
I'll give
Okay. My ethnicity doesn't have anything to do with it.
Grow some hair.
At least I got a half decent haircut, my friend.
At least I got hair.
I don't want hair.
Hey, in World War II, they dental flossed you guys. They blindfolded you guys with dental floss on.
That's going to warn to the
That way, bro.
Right there.
Right here, dog. I'm telling you this.
Where's my fucking flight?
Let him sit. You want to sit here? No
What?
problem.
Where's my flight?
Leave. Give him a route out.
That's the way out right there, the train, right?
For where?
Exit to get out of the airport right now.
Right there.
You're not going to the flight right now. You understand that, right?
I'm not going to
That way is your way out.
Where's
We're out.
That way on the
Where's my
tram.
new flight? They said they
Your
would give me
flight's
a new
not
flight.
coming, sir. You've been denied boarding. Okay?
You have to find a new carrier, right?
So your flight is on the way out, and you have to book another one. Whatever airline's going to happen, or you can go with what was that? Spirit. You can go to Spirit counter, but you're not flying on that
And
flight.
where's my money?
That's not our problem, sir. Our problem is you acting disorderly on the flight and off the flight. Your exit's on that tram. You have an exit way.
Pussy, bro. You know that? You're a bitch, alright? Pussy, you need a weapon, but without all that shit, bro, you ain't nothing but a bitch, alright?
Okay, sir.
Ling, you pussy ass.
Keep walking, sir.
And you guys get off my nutsack. You guys want to keep my
Not on your nutsack, sir. Please keep walking.
Why are you pushing
Please
me?
keep walking, sir.
Why are you pushing me?
Please keep walking.
Why are you pushing me?
Keep walking.
Take your hands off of me.
My hand's not on you. Keep walking.
Is your body cam on?
Absolutely.
You're touching me.
It's okay.
No, you can't.
Keep walking, sir.
You can't touch me. You
Please
don't have
keep
a
walking,
right to touch me.
Keep walking,
Touch
sir.
me again.
Keep walking,
Touch
sir.
me again, exactly, because
Keep
you know
walking,
you can't f***ing touch me.
Keep walking, sir.
You get the f*** out of my face and
Keep
I
walking,
will.
sir. There you're-
Back
you're
the f***
right
Get
there.
away from me. Get away
Put
from
your
me.
hands down.
Get the f*** away from me.
Exit. He needs an exit.
I will
That way.
exit, bro.
Walk.
Nah. Don't yell in my face.
All you gotta do is walk.
You're gonna hit me? Hit me, tough guy.
I don't need to hit you.
Hit me, tough guy.
I don't need to hit you.
Exactly.
Walk that way.
I will when you back up.
I don't need to
Get
back
out of
up.
my
My
face.
job.
Then I don't need to walk.
Please leave. Please leave. Your exit's right there.
Right? You're not hard, bro. I'm not hard. Get the f*** out of my face.
It's my airport, bro.
Get the f*** out of my face.
Please keep
You want
walking.
to book a flight, you go that way.
Get out of my face.
If you want to go to jail, hang out here. So you can
Where's the airside?
Get out of my face.
I'm not going anywhere.
Get the f*** out of my face. I ain't going anywhere, bro. Get the f*** out
We're
of my
between trams.
face.
The verbal abuse is constitutionally protected. City of Houston v. Hill, 1987. Verbal challenges to police do not lose First Amendment protection, even offensive ones. Black, 2003 removes protection from true threats. Serious expressions of intent to commit violence against specific targets. Chaplinsky v. New Hampshire, 1942 removes it from fighting words. Speech that by utterance incites an immediate breach of the peace. His verbal challenges approached both simultaneously. Florida Statute 784-1 defines assault, an intentional unlawful threat by word or act, coupled with apparent ability and well-founded fear of imminent violence. The raised clenched fists satisfied all three elements. Under paragraph 784-072A, assault against a law enforcement officer in performance of duty is a third-degree felony, up to 5 years under 775-082. The First Amendment does not protect a raised fist.
Don't pull your fist up! Do not pull your fist up! I say that! Hear that? Do not pull your fist up! Anywhere you got that. Hold! Yeah. Which way you going? Which way you want to go? Get this arm over here! Get your hand down!
I got cuffs.
Hands behind your back!
All right, yes, sir.
Do it now!
Give us your hands.
Yes, sir.
I got one.
Yes, sir.
All right, ready? Got a sneaky?
Nope, the other way.
That's
No, that's me. That's me. That's me.
That's Andy.
That's me.
Bring him down. Bring him down.
I believe you said he's at the tram now.
Go ahead and pull back, Andy. Go ahead and pull your arm out. Okay.
192 from Bodycam. Can you confirm your location?
Good.
Sit up.
On the air side.
I told you not to ball your fist up. Anything in socks?
No.
Anything in socks?
No.
You sure? Let me see.
They're on the waist.
Anything in this sock here?
No.
Are you sure, sir?
Yes, sir.
Let me double check. That's nothing in your
They're on
shoes.
the waist.
When this officer was talking to you, you had your right hip fist balled up. That's what you're going to jail for. Sir, I might need a new radio.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Good, taken care of.
You know how hard it is to get shorts now?
What's...
We were... Shitty time.
Of course.
We were coming down. We were at the gate. Active call, right? Fight in progress. I get down there. I'm like, there's this really big guy in front of me. So I tap on my shoulder. Hey, sir, you want to step off? He's like, no, it's not him. It's him. I'm like, okay, cool, sir. Step off and talk to me. No, not without my stuff. He only had a set of brown boots. Finally, get the brown boots. Chuck him off the plane. I see his fist balled up around the ticket. I'm like, hey, man, don't do that. Finally gets off. He's talking shit all the way back to here. And then we're like, hey, keep moving. I was like, hey, keep moving. And got in touch, hey, where are you going? Once he comes down here, he's like, get off my nuts and I'll move. I was like, get moving here, don't yell at me. Okay, and Pete Lennekamp comes over and starts talking to him. I see his hand come up like this. I'm like, oh.
I'll kick your ass.
Next train will be on this side. That's the very end.
So are there charges like back at the gate? Or
I didn't even get to that.
Okay.
You guys good with me if I go check on that?
Yeah, I got it.
I'll go find a spot for Sergeant Jewel to get in.
Did anything happen on the flight with that gentleman?
No, negative. Apparently, as the flight attendants called me down, because I'm the station supervisor,
right.
I went to see what he was doing. So apparently, inside the aircraft, he was, I guess somebody sitting next to him or something, and he didn't want it, him that close. So he started going like he was doing when you guys got here. So then
he's hitting his fist into his open palm like this? Okay.
Threatening, very threatful. And then he said, I got to go to the bathroom. And he came from his seat all the way to the first class bathroom, went in there, and that's when I arrived to the scene.
Right.
The flight attendant was debriefing me about where his... Jose, I'll call you back. I'm in an issue. I got to call you back.
Yeah, I copy. I'm going to be down at the gates. Give me a second, Sarge.
So, when I went over there, the flight attendant said that she was being nasty to them, cursing at them.
AC, can you get her in?
He was cursing at the passengers as he was walking by and disrespecting the flight attendant.
Right.
So then he went into the bathroom. When he came back, I arrived at the scene.
Right.
She was telling me what was going on, and I said, well, if it's that issue, because we have to decline it. We want him out of the aircraft.
Right.
So when he stepped out of the bathroom, I approached him right there, and I said, can I see your boarding pass? And then he's like, what you want my boarding pass for, bro? I get out of my
161-882. 882, you're ready for the 29 p.m.
Stood there, I said, I just need your boarding pass. Then he handed over to me. When I'm going to look at his name and everything, he snatched it from my hand, and he said, you need to move the
right.
I need to go back to my seat. I said, sir, do you have any carry-on luggage with you? I need you to talk outside the aircraft. You're not going to be flying on this flight today. And then he just started going, oh, you're lucky, oh, PD, you're lucky, we can do this right here. You know, being dreadful.
Right.
So I wouldn't budge because I was blocking the walkway to prevent him from going back into the aircraft.
Is that why all the passengers are stacked up there?
Yes, because he refused to move. So he was just...
Did that flight already take off?
Yeah, he pushed back.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And so the captain noticed the commotion, and he opened the door, and he just stood by there. The big guy came, and he was like, it's time for you to step off. And then they just put me aside, you know what I mean? Because I was not being confrontational. I was just not letting him. I was not budging, but I was looking at him. Just letting him speak, you know, quietly. But then when you guys arrived, that's when everything started.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Graham v. Connor, 1989, force is judged on 3 factors: crime severity, immediacy of threat, and active resistance. Third-degree felony, directly observed raised fist, 7 minutes of non-compliance. All 3 satisfied deck down and handcuffing, no weapons, proportionate. Officers, B+, 7 minutes of de-escalation, a precise arrest trigger, an exemplary restraint under racial attack, sole concern, close tactical proximity. Subject, D, correctly invoked First Amendment protection for verbal expression, and missed entirely that a raised fist is not speech. That distinction is a felony. Airline supervisor, a minus, correct authority structure, correct sequence. Paragraph 44902, captain law enforcement in proper order. 3 takeaways. A captain's removal order is non-negotiable under 44902 and 91.3. The First Amendment protects offensive speech. It does not protect physically threatening conduct. That line between word and act is precisely where felony exposure begins. Documented de-escalation is the legal foundation that makes every subsequent use of force defensible. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Statute for more legal breakdowns of police interactions. Thank you for watching.